Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So, last week or earlier in the week, I made a video because there was a store coupon at the Dollar General that was expiring on the 29th, which was a Friday, which was very peculiar because it's always usually a Saturday. And a lot of us were speculating like, hey, maybe this is the end of this honeymoon. But this showed up this morning and it is for today only. So you would load it and it's today only, which is a 5 off of 20. And it is pairing with this according to the app. If you follow my Instagram, it's linked in the notes. I will absolutely have information because I'm going to go do this deal. I probably won't make a video though later today because I do want to shop the clearance event, and that's probably going to take up a lot of my day because I want to go to many different stores. However, with the clearance event that's taking place from Friday to Sunday, it lands smack dab in the middle of a Saturday, which is 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20. And this unicorn to the right, which is this Gain Essential Oil Detergent, is 505. So pairing it with $10 of store coupons, I mean, hey guys, like this is an opportunity to get this on the cheap. So if you look here, guys, the product is 505. I'm in Texas today just because that's the zip, if you're wondering. And as you can see, if you look at the bottom, the store 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25. So this is for today only, which is Saturday the 30th, to do this deal in store only. Okay, so the purposes of this video, we're grabbing 3 of these. If you want to scan it at home, it's probably ringing up 505 in your market. And if you can't find this exact product with $10 of savings on a $25 basket, Frankenstein a deal where you're getting $20 of Gain merchandise to make a deal happen. This is just an example for you guys. If you can find the exact products, make it happen. But if not, get to $20 of Gain merchandise and just put a deal together today, which is January the 30th, Saturday only. Now, we're going to have the following coupons loaded for this deal that include the 5 off of 20 along with the 5 off of 25. So our basket will have $20 of Gain merchandise and $5 of general merchandise for both of these boosters to work. Okay, so we're going to look for 3 of these. And guys, the stores I was visiting yesterday, I was finding a good amount of these. So they're $5.05 each. We're going to grab 3 of them for $15 and I believe 15 cents. So, and these products are probably like $12 to $13 for one retail, probably a bit more. So 3 of these, and then we're going to need the following coupons. This from the Retail Me Not of January the 17th, 1 of these. This coupon has exceptionally strict verbiage, as do all the P&Gs, where it's like 1 per household per day, blah, blah. You have a very strict store that reads it line for line. You'll only be able to use 1. There's also this printable that includes the Gain, this essential oil product. So you'll have to print this on PNG Good every day. Print that coupon out for this shopping trip. And then also, we're going to grab 1 of these for $6.99 because the $2 digital that we have right now is not attaching to this product. So here it is, the $2 that's attaching to this fabric softener, but not the Gain Essential Oil product, which is unfortunate. And then we're also going to grab 1 of these guys, which is part of the POG, which is $4.05. And then we have a very wonderful $3 digital coupon that's attaching, dropping it down to $1.05. So looking at the math for this, we have 3 of the Gain Essentials on clearance for $15.15. 1 fabric softener for $6.99, and 1 Venus razor for $4.05. Well, the total for that is $26.19. Yes, we meet the $20 threshold of Gain merchandise and the $25 for the basket. Now we're going to present the internet printable and then the insert coupon. Punch in your phone number at the front or in the middle whenever you want to. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 will come off, along with $5 of digital manufacturers, the 2 for the Gain, and the 3 for the Venus. The final price point here is $7.19 for the 5 items, or $1.43 for each. If you consider that a product is probably upwards of $12 to $14 for that Gain product, this is a really killer deal for Saturday, the 30th only. Now, another digital coupon that showed up today is this $4 off for one of these mouth rinses or these expensive toothpaste that are I'm finding items that are $5, and this Crest family is attaching with this $4 coupon, and not all my store accounts got this as well, just to note that. Alternatively, you can always go with this. Just grab 2 of the Palmolives. They are $3 a piece, so that would be $6. And we have this BOGO free coupon that's also expiring today. Or you can get $5 of clearance merch if you want as part of the sale. But those are 2 coupons that would work with this deal perfectly, especially that $4 for the Crest. Load that one because that's good for a couple of weeks and it's a very valuable coupon. Now, I also was finding a good amount of these. I think I found 3 altogether yesterday, and they're $1.77. We have dollar coupons from that Retail Me Not of January the 17th. So if you wanted just to grab a couple of those to get you right to the $20 mark, you have that option as well. Here is the barcode. Good luck with this one, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.